Bro, am I the only one who gives myself cough trials in class? Like I give myself 2 chances to cough. Once I've coughed twice, no, I'm done coughing.
Wait, but holding in coughs is bad for you and your lungs.
I know that it's just, I personally don't like coughing more than twice because when I do, kids are like,
OMG guys, she has COVID.
like, yes, it's a simple issue I can deal with, or just simply ignore them because I know I don't have COVID. Bro, I'm running out of rant ideas, so this one was a random rant. Anyways, this is Star Siblings singing off.